Hi everyone. Earlier this year we saw the debut of the new Smart #1, and now there's a performance-orientated Brabus version. Smart and Brabus have had a long-standing relationship that will extend into Smart's rebirth as an all-electric brand. The Smart #1 Brabus is the beginning of a new chapter in the long-standing history between Smart and Brabus. It is in homage to over 2 decades of innovation, performance, and maximum individuality. Based on the Geely SEA platform, there's a significant upgrade in performance. The Smart #1 Brabus accelerates from rest to 100 km/h, 62 mph, in just 3.9 seconds courtesy of its dual-motor all-wheel drive system generating 315 kilowatts, 428 horsepower, at 543 Nm of torque with a battery capacity of 66 kWh. The Smart #1 comes with offers 150 kilowatts DC fast charging, which will boost the battery from 10% to 80% in around 30 minutes. A 22 kilowatts AC charger should do the same top-up in 3 hours. The newly developed steering wheel control ensures maximum agility and millimeter-precise steering. Combined with its sport suspension system, the Smart #1 Brabus delivers unlimited driving fun. The Smart #1 Brabus was designed to excel, offering a striking balance of efficiency and cutting-edge dynamics in signature Brabus fashion. Exterior visual modifications include a different, more aggressive front bumper, small additional intakes above the grille, red accents all around, and absolutely no visible Brabus badges. The rear-end design echoes that of the front, with a similar LED taillight cluster connected by a full-width light bar. The whole car has a very smooth look to it, with the door mirrors being the only obvious protrusion. New Brabus models come with a remodeled bonnet with 2 slim air vents either side of the central Smart badge. The Brabus usually replaces all exterior manufacturer badges with its own, but in this case it didn't. Not even the 19-inch wheels have the Brabus emblem, although they are unique to this version of the Smart #1 and they do look quite sporty. The result, a uniquely expressive, exclusive signature appearance guaranteed to turn heads anywhere. The Smart #1 Brabus ensures maximum convenience, comfort, and a hallmark Brabus feel-good factor underscored by sporty materials and styling. The interior of the new Smart #1 will remain faithful to the design of the concept car shown last year. It has the same flat-bottomed steering wheel and small driver's display set behind it. You get a floating center console on the Smart that's covered in metallic trim, as well as some funky-looking ambient lighting. There's a huge touchscreen tablet sat atop the dash that will control most of the car's functions, including the climate control. To keep things simple, many features can also be operated using voice commands. The full-length panoramic sunroof makes for a light and airy cabin. The rear seats can also be moved backwards and forwards depending on whether you want more luggage space or more rear legroom, a handy feature in a car this size. The Smart #1 Brabus was revealed in China, at the Chengdu Motor Show, and it's not yet clear if it will actually be sold outside the country. In China, this top performance version costs around 89,000 yuan, $12,900, more than the base model, being priced at 279,000 yuan, $40,400, before options. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to support us, like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and have a great day.